Hey there, this is going to be a quick Adobe Lightroom tip that will make your life so much better. Well, at least it makes my life better when I use this. And it's called the solo mode. How this works is in the develop module, normally as you open your different panels, you get more and more and more. And as you edit, so let's say I'm going to edit this picture, but I'm not going to actually edit it here because that's not the point of this tutorial. I've got too much white in the sky, a little too dark over here, and you're going to want to start playing around with it and doing your adjustments and blah, 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 right? Scrolling down, maybe I want to add a little vignetting. And you notice what I had to do there is I had to scroll past a lot of stuff. I had to scroll past the transform panel, which I had opened previously at some point, but didn't need for this. So what you can do here is you want to right-click next to the text in any one of the panels. For example, I've got the basic one here on top, and I'm going to right-click next to it, and we have this option Solo Mode, and it will work with any of them. So if I go down to Transform, and I'm right-clicking next to it, I've got Solo Mode as well. If you click on Solo Mode, notice what it did there. It closed all of them automatically. And how this works is, if I don't need the transform, I'm going to go up to basic, right? I do whatever edits I need in basic, and now I want to go down to effects. It automatically closes that basic window and gives me my effects. Now maybe I want to go to my HSL and adjust the saturation for some reason. It shuts everything down. So this is just a super quick tip, and I guarantee once you enable this, it will totally frustrate you to be on somebody else's machine using Lightroom and they don't have this enabled. So hopefully you found that tip useful. If you did, feel free to leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, you know, all that other crap that I say at the end of these videos.